How to unlock Snapchat account when permanently or temporarily locked. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to unlock Snapchat account when permanently or temporarily locked. So to unlock your Snapchat account, then you have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a Chrome browser, and when you open it up, go and type in Snapchat support. And next you have to go to the first link, that is help.snapchat.com. It's going to take you to the other field, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on the support center page, you just have to scroll down right to the bottom and then go to contact us. As you click the contact us button, it's going to show you this page where you have to go and press on my account was compromised. Once again, scroll down a bit and then go and click on contact support here. As you do that, you need to go ahead and submit a request. Once again, press on I think my account was compromised. As you've done that, it's going to take you to the page where you have to go and submit a request, submit a response. So for that case, you have to type in your username according to your account, and then the email address registered with it. If any phone number, then you have to mention that as well. And as per the description, type in the reason why your account should be unlocked or why your account has been unlocked and all of that. After you're done submitting the request, you have to wait patiently until you get further notified. So this is how you could go ahead and unlock Snapchat account when temporarily or permanently locked. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.